What's good, everybody? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. Before we get started, guys, go ahead right now, click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. I want to talk to you real quick about a system, okay, in which you can receive $247 commissions over and over and over. It's a newbie friendly system. If you're new online to internet marketing, make money online, this will be perfect for you. Nothing technical that you have to do. Everything is under one roof. The system does all the selling and telling for you. They have this video right here that will explain the program. You never have to get on the phone and do a presentation. Okay. This program includes done-for-you traffic resources, everything you need far as who to market to, how to get people over to your website. Total training is provided step by step. You're paid instantly any way you want. It includes a whole marketing system, capture pages, autoresponder. Okay, we're going to go down the list here. You get the capture pages, a sales funnel, the autoresponder. It's member to member. You pay directly from the person that joins you. Okay. The program includes digital products. A digital product library is included. Okay. You get, this is what I also love, you get paid through built-in automation. So everything is going to be set up instantly. You're going to be paid automatically via your payment method, whichever you choose. It can be Cash App, Zelle, PayPal, or credit card. Okay. You get this wonderful, nice sales page that I'm on right now. You get the same page, and it only takes 3 steps to get started, guys. There's a link below. I want you to go there, www.besteasyworkincome.com. It's only $247 one time. Okay. There's no monthly fees. You're going to also pay a $33 setup fee to the company. That's $280. That's it. And you get this whole entire business in a box. Step 3, you're going to register your profile and you're going to set up your payment options. How do you want to get paid? That's step 2. Step 3 is decide which traffic package you want. And they've included that in your members area. Okay? Just give them your link and they will send targeted people over to your capture page. What's so great about this is you break even on your first sale. Right? It's $247 to get started. Your first sale, you make $247. So you just broke even. Okay? Your second sale, everybody passes up their second sale. Okay, this gives us leverage. This gives us a whole new pay line. Okay, and after that, you're in profit. Okay, and you're able to receive $247 commissions over and over and over. Okay, this page explains everything, okay, that anyone needs to know on the basics of what this program is all about. Okay, so if you're ready to start receiving these $247 commissions with an all-in-one simple newbie-friendly system, go check that link out in the description, www.besteasyworkincome.com. Now, when you join me, I'm going to run your first campaign. So all you're going to need to do is send me your capture page link. Okay, let me show you where that is so you'll know when you log into your members area. Okay, as soon as you log in your members area, right here it says your referral link. That's your link. So copy that, paste it, send it to me in an email. I'm going to send your first campaign to get some leads of people interested in making money online to your capture page. Okay. Let me show you real quick. I took a screenshot and I've already scratched out the person's number, but this is one of my teammates. I went ahead and sent traffic over to his page, and this is what he sent me. Wow, I got 113 clicks and 40 opt-ins. Thank you. See that? I don't know if you can see it with the light, but there we go. Okay, so this is what I do for people that join me. Okay, and I'm going to do the same for you guys. All right. I like what it says here. Automation is king. That's true, because once you set this thing up, you don't have to set it up again. It's like a set it and forget it. But the only thing is, You're not going to forget the system, but you're going to just continue to promote. Okay, so in other words, you don't have to set it up at one time. Set it up. So what's the setup? Sales funnel. It shows you an illustration on this page here. Sales funnel, 24/7 video that's going to explain the program. Once they watch that, once they opt into your capture page, they get an email. Okay, customized email that's going to remind them about the program, and it sends them back to this presentation. It does all the selling for you, and if someone decides to sign up, boom, last step, $247 in your account. Okay, so it's all on automation. With this system, as soon as you make your purchase, your system will be set up. Okay, so you don't have to wait. There's no delay on your sales page. Okay, instant, automated. You get access to the system instantly as well. Okay, now I want to show you the products, and then I'm going to let you check out the comp plan. Okay, so in your members area, you go to resources and you will see marketing product page. Okay, on this page you will see your products. Okay, this is a digital library of products to show you how to make money online. Okay, as you can see, they're right here. This digital marketing tool is pretty cool. I've looked at it. Got some great nuggets in this little download right here in module 1, so I highly recommend you check it out. All right, so here's digital products, the marketing products. Okay, then we also have health products. Okay, all digital, and you can download these right from your members area. Okay, you own those products. Okay, guys, very simple system. I think this is going to be one of the hottest ones for 2022. Okay, because the price point is awesome. It's only $247. Okay, well, it'll be $280. So $247 plus the $33, one-time payments, one-time investment, no monthly fees, and then it's simple. A newbie or non-technical person don't have to figure out what to do. Everything is right there at their fingertips. Easy breezy. Okay, now I want you to check out this comp plan. Okay, hang on with me. Check this out. All right, Frank is going to explain this to you real quick, pretty much in a minute. Check it out.
Now let's talk about how you get paid with M.A.P. M.A.P employs a reverse one-up system, and here's how that works for you. The M.A.P reverse one-up system is designed to create passive income for you. Your first referral is going to pay you $247 as soon as they enroll. They're going to keep their first sale and then pass up their second sale to you, which will put you into profit with just one referral. You will pass up your second referral, and that is the only one that you'll ever have to pass up. Your third referral to Infinity will pay you $247. They will keep their first referral and then pass up their second sale to you. All of your pass-ups are going to pass up their second sale to you, and those pass-ups will also pass up their second sale to you. All of your pass-ups are also going to pass up their second sale to you, and those pass-ups will also pass up their second sale to you, and this goes on to infinity. We are making sure you have the opportunity to create leverage. That is, getting paid on other people's efforts, and the M.A.P reverse one-up system will help you do just that.
Okay, so it's definitely worth you checking out, guys. Go check out the website, www.besteasyworkincome.com. The link is in the description. Check it out. Jot down your questions. If you have any, feel free to give me a call after you've actually watched this video right here. And remember, when you join me, I'm going to send your first campaign, okay, to get some traffic over to your website. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload the videos. Till next time, you guys be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.